Hello, goodbye. Written and illustrated by Meredith Rowland. Hello, red car. Goodbye, red car. Hi, happy little cloud. Till we meet again, little cloud. Hey there, puffy dandelion. Bye-bye, puffy dandelion. Aloha, tiny yellow bird. Aloha, tiny yellow bird. Greetings, brilliant rainbow. Farewell, brilliant rainbow. Salutations, slimy snail. Cheer you, slimy snail. Hi, sweet kitty. Night night, sweet kitty. Oh, hello, nimble spider. Well done, nimble spider. Thank you. Good day, majestic unicorn. Cheers, majestic unicorn. Beautiful evening, nervous ostrich. Rest easy, nervous ostrich. Good morning, bright sun. Good night, bright sun.